Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Defy. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, tap Voice Match and enable Hey Google. Tap Next, Agree and Continue. Now let's try it. Hey Google. Now we can go back, enter lock screen and make sure that this function is enabled. Then you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be scattered showers, with a high of 22 and a low of 12.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.